How to add a Domino's gift card 2025 method. Have you ever tried to order Domino's, got all the way to checkout, and then realized your gift card was sitting right there, but you had no idea how to actually add it to your account? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Domino's gift cards do not automatically apply themselves, and if you don't add them correctly, you can lose time, delay your order, or even think your card doesn't work when it actually does. Today, you're going to learn the exact, updated 2025 method to add a Domino's gift card to your account and use it properly, so you never get stuck at checkout again. By the end of this video, you will know how to add your gift card on the app, on the website, how to check your balance, what to do if your card says invalid, and how to make sure you squeeze every last dollar out of your Domino's gift card. And yes, there is a smart way to do it that most people don't know. Let's start with the basics. A Domino's gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to pay for food, delivery, and carry-out at participating Domino's locations. It can be physical or digital. Both work the same way once you add them correctly. Now here's something important. You do not need to physically go to a store to add your gift card. You can add and use your Domino's gift card directly inside your Domino's account, and once it's added, it stays there for future orders. This makes ordering faster, safer, and much easier. Let's walk through the full process. First, open your Domino's app on your phone, or go to the Domino's website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Domino's account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It only takes a minute, and it is required to save gift cards to your profile. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings or profile section. Look for something called Payment Methods, Wallet, or Saved Cards. The wording may be slightly different, but you are looking for the place where Domino's lets you manage your payment options. Inside this section, you will see an option to add a gift card. Tap or click on Add a Gift Card. Now take your Domino's gift card and look at the back. You will see a long number and sometimes a PIN code under a scratch-off area. If your card is digital, this information will be in your email or gift card page. Carefully enter the gift card number and PIN into the fields provided. Double-check your entries. Most problems happen because of small typing errors. Once everything is correct, tap Add or Save. If your card is valid, Domino's will confirm that your gift card has been successfully added to your account. Your gift card balance will now appear in your wallet or payment methods. Congratulations! Your gift card is now saved and ready to use. Now let's talk about how to use it when you order. Start building your order like normal. Choose your pizza, sides, drinks, and desserts. When you get to checkout, you will see your saved gift card as a payment option. Select the gift card as your payment method. If your order total is less than your gift card balance, Domino's will automatically deduct the amount and leave the remaining balance on your card for future use. If your order total is more than your gift card balance, Domino's will apply the full gift card amount and ask you to pay the remaining balance with another payment method, such as a debit card or credit card. This is one of the best features, because it means you never waste any leftover balance. Now let's talk about checking your gift card balance. Inside your account wallet or payment section, you can always tap on your saved gift card to see the current balance. You can also check it manually by going to Domino's gift card balance check page and entering your card details. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people. Domino's gift cards do not expire in most regions. That means your money does not disappear if you wait. However, it is still a smart idea to use your card sooner rather than later, because promotions, menu pricing, and store policies can change over time. Now let's talk about common problems and how to fix them. What if your gift card says invalid? First, make sure you are entering the number and PIN exactly as shown. Watch for similar looking letters and numbers. 0 and O, 1 and I, and 5 and S are common mistakes. Second, make sure your card has been activated. Some physical gift cards need to be activated at the store where they were purchased. If it was never activated, it will not work. Third, check that you are using the card in the correct country. Some Domino's gift cards are region locked. If all of that checks out and your card still does not work, contact Domino's customer support. They can look up your card and fix the issue in most cases. What if your gift card disappears from your wallet? Log out of your Domino's account, close the app, reopen it, and log back in. This refreshes your account data and usually fixes display glitches. Now let's talk about how to use your gift card strategically. The surprising truth about Domino's ordering is that prices can change depending on location, time, and promotions. Using your gift card during promotional deals can stretch your money much further. For example, a large pizza deal might let you get more food for the same gift card balance compared to ordering at regular price. So if you want maximum value, wait for in-app deals, coupons, and bundle offers before redeeming your gift card. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine you have a $25 Domino's gift card. You go to the app and see a mix and match deal that offers 2 medium pizzas, breadsticks, and a soda for $19.99. Instead of ordering individual items at full price, you choose the deal. Your gift card now covers the entire order, and you still have money left over for next time. That is how you turn one gift card into multiple meals. Now let's talk about digital gift cards. If someone sends you a Domino's gift card by email, you can add it to your account the same way. Just open the email, copy the code, go to Add Gift Card in your Domino's wallet, paste the code and save it. Once saved, you can forget about the email. Everything is stored securely in your account. One more important tip: never share your gift card number or PIN publicly. Anyone with that information can use your balance. Treat your gift card like cash. Now let's wrap everything together. Adding a Domino's gift card in 2025 is fast, simple, and extremely useful when you know the exact steps. Log into your Domino's account, go to your wallet, add your gift card using the number and PIN, save it, and select it at checkout. Check your balance anytime. Combine gift cards with promotions. Fix errors by refreshing your app or contacting support. And always protect your card details. If you follow these steps, you will never lose your balance, never get stuck at checkout, and never miss out on free pizza again. Now you know exactly how to add and use your Domino's gift card the smart way. And the next time hunger hits, you'll be ready.